Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you try to log into your WhatsApp account and you get this message that says this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam, that means your number is banned from WhatsApp. And today in this video, I'll show you exactly how can you fix that problem. So follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now of course, if you go ahead and open Play Store, search for WhatsApp, we need to make sure we have the app updated or at least have one of the newer versions to face no problems. After that, you can quit the WhatsApp from the Play Store and go ahead and open the app. Of course, you're gonna face that problem again because that's what you're trying to fix after this video. So let's see how can you fix it. The first fix we can try is opening your Play Store again, and you need to uninstall the WhatsApp application and then after that install it again and try to log in. If you're still facing the same problem, try this one out. You need to go ahead and open your browser and go to whatsapp.com. So you can Google WhatsApp and from the results find whatsapp.com, and once you open the website, scroll all the way down and tap on Contact Us. From here you find lots of options to fix the problem. Tap on the first one that is under WhatsApp Messenger support, tap on Contact Us right here. Then from here type in your phone number and of course your email address and confirm the email address. Right under it, choose the device you're using, maybe Android, iPhone or whatever, and then please enter your message below right there. Go ahead and tap and describe your issue and basically tell them that your phone number has been mistakenly banned from WhatsApp and you want it unbanned as soon as possible. Make sure you are polite. You can pause the screen and use my message right here. After that, tap on next step in the bottom and they will come back to you with a fix in 24 to 48 hours. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.